Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two powerhouse graphics cards, the XFX Speedster SWFT319 Radeon RX 6800 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. Both cards are designed for high-performance gaming, but they come with different architectures and features that cater to different gaming needs. Well, let's explore their specifications, performance, and what makes each of them unique in the world of gaming graphics. The XFX Speedster SWFT319 utilizes AMD's RDNA 2 architecture, which is well known for its rasterization capabilities, making it a strong contender for 1440p gaming. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti is built on NVIDIA's next-generation Blackwell architecture, promising improved efficiency and advanced features like DLSS 4. This architectural difference plays a crucial role in how each card performs in gaming scenarios, particularly in terms of ray tracing and overall graphical fidelity. When it comes to memory, both cards boast 16 gigabytes, but the type of memory makes a significant difference. The RX 6800 features GDDR6 memory, which has been a standard for high-performance gaming. Meanwhile, the RTX 5060 Ti steps it up with GDDR7, which offers higher bandwidth and efficiency. This difference in memory technology could impact performance in future gaming titles that demand more from their graphics cards. Cooling is vital for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The XFX RX 6800 features a robust triple-fan cooling system designed to keep temperatures low, even under heavy load. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 5060 Ti employs the WINDFORCE cooling system, which is compact yet efficient, making it suitable for smaller builds without sacrificing performance. Both solutions are tailored to ensure that each card performs optimally while managing heat effectively. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster SWFT319 Radeon RX 6800 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti offer compelling features for gamers. The RX 6800 excels in rasterization performance and VRAM capacity, while the RTX 5060 Ti introduces next-gen memory and advanced NVIDIA features. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming preferences and whether you prioritize raw performance or cutting-edge technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming content.